think that's so valuable. Everybody thinks in their 60s, everybody thinks that they're going to get hit by lightning. And they're gonna be livered up 1 second and gone the next, and it never works.
Like everyone says, I just want to go in my sleep one night. Okay, that's rarely happens that way.
Rarely happens. And so people are not prepared for anything else. And it oftentimes causes things to be a lot worse than they need to be because they're not prepared.
Have you read that book, How We Die?
No.
Oh, fascinating. And it's just all about that. It's like people have this misconception of what their end of life is going to be like.
Yeah.
And here's the reality.
Yeah.
And
Well,
it's really actually
most
really
people define end of life as the time that they spend in bed in the last couple of days.
right.
And that's what doesn't work.
Right.
Well, and now it's like with COVID, I feel like people, younger are starting to think about it.
Yeah, that's true. It's on everyone's mind. For sure.
But it's still a hard thing to get people to talk about. And so it's like part of it is just trying to get people to talk about it and have these kinds of conversations. And then the other part is kind of by sort of accepting or embracing our mortality will take steps to living more fulfilled lives.
Right.
And so that's like sort of another part of the program.
That's awesome. That's so cool.
And so I've actually been working though with somebody in Austin.
Oh, wow.
So before COVID, we had done these large festivals in San Francisco and New York City. And what I was working on was a program of working with volunteers in other cities to put on the festivals. And so I've been working now for over a year with this guy. He has his own nonprofit around kind of grief and advanced care planning. And now with the kind of virtual setup, we're gonna hopefully in maybe March or April of next year do sort of an online, consortium or conference where anybody will be able to attend, but the focus will be on getting different community leaders to participate to try to it'll be a mix of kind of educational things about different considerations and strategies and all that, but then it'll also be kind of a working session to think about, like, if you want to create a sea change around this in Austin, like, what are the steps and how can these organizations do that?
Yeah, I think it's characteristic of people to be in denial.
Yeah, no, I mean, you're trying to get my family to talk about it.
Yeah.
My
mother's 88 and I can't get her to talk about it. I'm like, geez.
They don't want to.
Everybody I know, almost everybody I know is like that.
Yeah, I know. It's just part of being human, I suppose. We're in denial.
Okay. You don't understand. You will be on the short leash now. Okay.
But
But I love that.